This is given question 2 raised to the power of 20 minus 2 raised to the power 19 divided by 2 raised to the power 11 is equal to what? So let's try to solve this question. We can write this 20 as 2 power 19 plus 1 minus 2 power 19 into 2 power 11. So again 2 power 19 into 2 power 1 minus 2 power 19 divided by 2 power 11. So why we write this like this? Because as we know that a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So this is the form like this and this is the form like this. So both are equal. So we can write 2 raised to the power of 19 plus 1 like this. Now here we will take 2 power 19 as a common, 2 power 19. So here the remaining term is 2 power 1 which is equal to 2 and here the remaining term is 1 and 2 raised to the power 11. Now as we know that 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So this will become 2 raised to the power 19 and 2 raised to the power 11. Now 2 raised to the power 19 minus 11 which is equal to 2 raised to the power 8. So 2 raised to the power 8 is the solution of this question. And why we uh, take this 11 over here? Because of rule of exponent a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So look over here, this is in the form of this and this is in the form of this, which are equal to one another. So therefore we write this question like this. So 19 minus 11 equal to 2 raised to the power 8, which is your answer.